Right, so cost is one thing that always comes up in commercial discussions. With what's been going on in the world over the last few years, costs have risen, and it's something that we have to look at on a daily basis, be it either the cost of steel or the cost of control systems, the cost of installing equipment. But you also have to balance this with the reliability and the cost savings that they get with the equipment that we're proposing and eventually supplying to these customers. I say we've been in business now for over 40 years. We've got an awful lot of repeat customers where they know the quality that they're going to get from CDS. Sometimes not the cheapest available, but we've never confessed to designing things to a bare cost. We design the equipment to how it should be for the longevity and to ensure that the customer's got equipment that is going to be lasting them for an awful long time, to ensure that they get consistent either drying, firing, curing qualities on a day-to-day basis, so that they can make sure that their products are going out at the right standards.